Hello class, today we will do a new topic with list. When we did list in class 11, whatever was given in class 11 syllabus only that much we have done. But after release of your class 12 book, I found a new topic there. It's again not very clear there in the syllabus or not, but since it's there in your textbook, I thought it's better to do it because this topic could be very important from the point of view of small output based question. Okay, what is it? It is basically, the name of the topic is list comprehensions. Okay, list comprehension. What is list comprehension? It is basically just a shortcut way of filling up a list or putting some elements in a list. Earlier we have seen that we can directly write list equal to whatever we feel like we can write, or we can input, right? There are two ways of filling elements in a list, but this is going to be a third method. It is a kind of assignment. It is not input, it is definitely a kind of assignment. That means some fixed values will be put, user has no control over it. Okay, and the filling up will happen purely on the basis of what code you are writing, but it is a concise way, a kind of structured way, or a one-liner kind of thing where you can do maximum job. Like I'm giving an example. You are very much familiar with this kind of coding. This means a blank list is taken, k equal to blank. For I in range 1 to 6, that means the value of I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I did k dot append I into 2. So you can easily make out, if I after this, if I print the list k will be shown as I multiplied by 2, that is 2, 4, okay, 6, 8 and 5, that is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 5 values of I, they are multiplied by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this same thing can be achieved by writing a statement like this. What did we do here? Look at this, we wrote k equal to whatever the name of the new list that you are going to make, or in whichever list you are going to fill up that element, that list variable equal to whatever you write. Okay, everything has to come in a pair of square bracket because we are talking about a list, and we know that the list elements always come within a pair of square bracket. And then what we wrote I multiplied by 2. I multiplied by 2 are basically the helping us making the elements which are to be there in a list. So we can say this I multiplied by 2 is basically an expression. The expression which decides which elements are to be stored. Now who is I? That meaning is here. Okay, look at this. With a little bit space, you can leave a little space and write for I in range, whatever the loop you do, that is 1 to 6. So it means that execute the loop and whatever is the value of I, multiply it by 2, and those are going to be the elements. So this expression decides who all are going to be the elements of the list. Okay, that means if we write the syntax, the format of it, it looks like list, like k equal to, first comes the expression and then comes the loop. Loop you have to take because obviously we are talking about here storing of multiple numbers which will be in a particular sequence. Okay, we are not talking about here a random elements which are to be stored in a list. Okay, when we know that certain numbers which will follow in a particular pattern or which will follow a particular kind of sequence, they are to be stored in a list, then this method is useful. Okay, so you understood, first comes the expression and then comes the loop structure, fine, which will help you basically provide the values, different values. An expression will decide, depending on the value of the control variable of for I, what is to do. Okay, it can be only I also. For example, if you just need the values of these values of I directly to be copied, you can just write I also. K equal to I for I in range 1 to 6. So it will store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So expression need not be always computation. It can be without computation also. Okay. But imagine I do not want all the numbers from 1 to 6 to be considered. 1 to 6 is my range. but I want to take some selected values from 1 to 6. Then what do I do? Fine. Obviously, in that case, we are talking about a condition. That means I have certain choice of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I want to filter it. Remember this word very, very carefully. I want to filter out the data, and I want certain data, only specific data after filtration, specific data to be stored in a list. Then what happens? Look at this. For example, if you look at this one, I put a condition here. What did I do? I wrote I multiplied by 2. That means again I took an expression for I in range 1 to 6. Okay. So the meaning of I is interpreted by this loop. But I don't want all the values of 1 to 6 or 1 to 5. What I did, I put a filter by putting a condition. If, which values of I? The values of I which are multiples of 3. So how many values are multiples of 3? Within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Only 3 and you can take here maybe 7. Okay. So in that case, at least you will get 2 multiples, 3 and 6. There will be 2 multiples here. Fine. If you take 2 multiples, look at this, 3 and 6, only 2 multiples basically of 3 we can get to see. Okay. They are multiplied by 2 and those values will be stored in K. That means obviously 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. If we print K, then we are going to get this output. Fine. Now, another example I will show you here. Here I have taken a list Q. Okay. It could be the case like we already have a list, and from that list I want to take some items to another list. Okay, a list has say 50 items and I want to create a new list. There I want only 10 of them, 10 from this list. Okay. So this is a perfect case like that. Okay. Look at this Q was basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the natural numbers from 1 to 7. Fine. I wanted to consider these values, but not all of them. First of all, to access these numbers, okay, or these elements in Q, it's very easy to say for I in Q. So when we write for I in Q, we need to say all the elements one by one present in the list Q. So I use the same thing here. Look at this I for I in Q. That means where I is element, every element, each element of Q, considering only one element at a time. But I wanted to say that consider only the elements which are multiple of 3. I do not want the other numbers. So basically you can see only 2 multiples are there like this, 3 and 6. So we will get 3 and 6 stored in K. So this kind of many examples are possible. We have to understand one by one. So basically what will be understood from here is we will first write the list variable equal to, everything will come within a pair of square bracket first of all. First we write the condition, the expression, okay, expression which will decide what to be stored into in the list. Then is the loop structure. Loop structure is basically taken, I told you, to basically get a range of numbers which will basically provide a kind of sequence, maybe or maybe not without a sequence, maybe all the values of for loop. Okay, this will provide the range of numbers. And then if you want to have a filter, if you do not want to take all the numbers specified in the range or all the items specified in the range, then you can put a filter. Filter means obviously we have to put an if condition. That if condition, that is which items to select from this, that if condition goes at the end. We write if whatever, right? Fine. Now let us see some more new examples.